Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my May 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Unbagging. I am so excited. This came as such a surprise because for some reason my Ipsy app didn't update with the shipping or that this had even shipped out, and then I just checked my mail and this was here. I just got my Glam Bag Plus box and was so excited. I did my unboxing, so I will have that video linked down below if you want to see it. But I was not expecting to get this glam bag anytime soon, and here it is. So this one here is the $12 a month glam bag. The Glam Bag Plus box that I already unboxed is $25 a month. Oh my gosh, this bag is so pretty. I love the colors. Oh, I love the ombre. I think I might like this one more than the Glam Bag Plus bag. And this seems bigger than the Glam Bag Plus bag. I'm going to have to use this bag for something. Like, I wish I could use this as a little purse or something. Maybe I can, a little clutch for the summertime. Don't know where I'd be going, but I would need a clutch, but oh, so cute. All right, so before I unbag this, I should just give a quick explanation that Ipsy is a monthly beauty subscription service, but it's customized to you based off of a very detailed quiz that you fill out and the feedback that you give Ipsy each month. And I've been getting my Ipsy Glam bag for a year and a half now, so I tend to have very curated, very perfect for me types of bags because I've given Ipsy so much feedback. I always make sure to review my products in the Ipsy app, and that gets me points. So I did redeem a bunch of points this month for free products. I don't know if they're gonna come in this glam bag or my Glam Bag Ultimate. I didn't get any of the add-ons that I did in my Glam Bag Plus box. But yeah, I subscribe to all three levels of Ipsy: the regular glam bag for $12, the $25 Glam Bag Plus, and the $50 Glam Bag Ultimate. And this month, I also signed up for the BoxyCharm Premium box. So I already get the regular BoxyCharm, but I also am gonna start getting the BoxyCharm Premium. So lots of unboxings on my channel, and then I do full dedicated review videos on all of the products that I get, which leads up to a full face using all of my Ipsy products. I'm thinking I might do a full face tutorial using all of my BoxyCharm products as well, because I'm gonna be getting more products from BoxyCharm this month. But I am clearly makeup obsessed, so if those are the types of videos that you like watching, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. So let me show you what I got. First, I like to pull out my card. Sometimes, oh my gosh, I think this is like my first time not having any product information on my regular Glam Bag card. I don't know why Ipsy is doing that. Luckily, they have a great app that will show me the product information, but this is the exact same card that I got in my Glam Bag Plus box. So I just feel like this was such a waste of paper. I don't need this card, and now I have two of them. So Ipsy, if you're not gonna send me product information on the card, don't send me a card. All right, hopefully the products make up for me being a little frustrated by those cards. But so, okay, first product I pulled out is from Benefit. It's the Roller Lash Mascara. Wait, I love this mascara. I tried this a long time ago. This is the sample size, and this was one of my favorite mascaras. So if you didn't already know, I have this series on my YouTube channel where I try out a new makeup product every day. I am up to day number 830-ish, and I have tried out the Roller Lash Mascara from Benefit, and it was day number 48. That seems like forever ago because it really was. And looking back on that video, it's like the quality and the editing, like everything about it is just not where my videos are now. That's the thing, you gotta start somewhere. So when I first started, my videos were not the quality that they are now, and I know that my videos now are not the quality that they will be years from now. I'm still always learning, but I will have that video linked in the description down below if you want to see my Benefit Roller Lash Mascara review video. But like I said, keep in mind, it's an older video. All right, so the next product, ooh, this might have been the product that I chose. This is from Yensa. It's the Skin on Skin BC Concealer. So it's BB and CC Cream, Full Coverage Concealer, 8 Super Blacks Essence. So the brand Yensa is a product that I learned about through Ipsy, and now I've tried out a bunch of Yensa products, but they have really awesome ingredients in them. So I am really excited to try this out. I got it in the shade Fair Cool. So it looks like you can use this as a foundation or a concealer, and I love like base types of makeup. So this will be so fun to try out. Next up, this is packaged nice and protected. Ooh, Pixi by Petra Fresh Face Blush in Beach Rose. This looks like a really pretty, ooh, and it's in plastic, but I'll give this a little swatch. I kind of feel like this is a full-size product. I just checked my Ipsy app and it doesn't say if this is the full-size product or not. It also doesn't even give a retail value, but I like the brand Pixi by Petra. I'm gonna go ahead and do a swatch of this. Ooh, nice texture. Ooh, pretty. I like this shade of blush. It's kind of got a little bit of like a bronziness to it, so I think that will look really pretty on the cheeks. So far, all makeup products, which is what I want. Oh, of course, I had to jinx myself. This here is from the brand Jeju Aloe Gel Sleeping Mask. Looks like it's a Korean skincare product. Here is what it looks like, a little sample. Yeah, so it's an overnight mask, which I actually really like overnight masks. I use one every night, and this is supposed to be moisturizing. It contains aloe vera. So this sounds really nice. I will definitely use this because my current overnight sleeping mask is almost gone, which you'll probably see in this month's empties video. So this will be the one that I try out next. And then my fifth product, so yeah, I guess none of my add-ons were in this bag either. I guess all of my add-ons that I did are gonna show up in my Glam Bag Ultimate box. So that'll be a really fun unboxing. Oh, this is so cute and little. So this is the Tarte Lip Glaze. So Tarte Jelly Glaze Anytime Lip Mask. Oh my gosh, this sounds perfect. I love the brand Tarte and I love lip masks. Ooh, strawberry jelly. Oh, I'm kind of bummed this is so tiny, but oh, am I excited for this. I mean, if I like it, maybe I could buy the full-size version, but it's so small. I really feel like they should have made it a little bit bigger because now this counts as one of my products, but oh well, I don't want to complain. I'm actually really excited about all of the products I got. They are all products that I will definitely use, which is always a good sign. So like I said, this costs $12. I believe you're supposed to get at least $50 worth of products in your Ipsy Glam bag. I don't really feel like I have $50 worth of products here. Let me do a quick recap. So you do get the nice glam bag, so that's definitely a plus. But I have the Yensa BC Concealer, the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara, the Jeju Aloe Gel Sleeping Mask, the Pixi by Petra Blush, and the Tarte Jelly Glaze Lip Mask. I just feel like they're all small products, but I'm really happy with all of them. I feel like this is probably around $12 to $20 worth of products. Maybe that's not what their retail value is, but to me, that's how much I would be willing to spend on these products. So at least I did spend only $12 on it, but I'm excited about this. Let me know, of course, in the comments down below what you got in your May 2020 Ipsy Glam bag. If you've tried any of these products, what your thoughts are on them, and if there's any products that you want me to do reviews on first, any products that you're extra excited to see those full dedicated review videos on, because then I'll make sure to try out those products first as part of my series. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Stay safe and healthy.